Ssekiboobo abazaana n'abasajja ba Kabaka balinze ddoboozi lyo.
I'll begin by saying I've been in the teaching profession for the last 35 years. Several Reverend Father Chief Kiriza ngobere mwatuyigiriza nga ngenda okufuna mwana muwala oyo. Mwatugamba nti bw'oyimiriranga mu bantu ky'osooka okwanjula nti oba otambudde naye osooka kumwanjula. This is Mukyala Ssekiboobo, Dr. Lydia Matobe. Not doctor of medicine, but doctor of books with a PhD. Abawala mwenna abali wano kisoboka. Dokita alina degree 3. Abawala kisoboka. Nyimiridde wano okubaako ebigambo bitono nnyo bye ngenda okwogera, era ndowooza ensonga ze ngenda okwogera muzira kuba 3. Ekisooka, many of you are hearing the word Ssekiboobo, Ssekiboobo, and some of you don't understand what it means. It means the head of the county, Kyabwe, the Buganda county, Kyabwe, that is the title the head is given. Buganda as a kingdom has got 18 counties. One of them, and it's the 3rd biggest, is Kyabwe. It stretches from Namamve to River Nile to Kayunga, part of Kayunga, and then up to Kome. That is headed by the one you are seeing in front here, under the kingdom. And the Ssekiboobo, you hear the word Owekitiibwa. That means I sit in the parliament of Buganda. So if you go to the central government, I'm an MP. But a bigger MP, because Kyabwe as a county has 9 constituencies for the central government. That means it has 9 MPs. However, for the kingdom, it has me as the head. Ndowooza ekyo mukitegeedde bulungi nnyo, Olungereza mulutegeera bulungi. Ensonga endala, njagala mukube engalo ez'omwanguka okwebaza head teacher wammwe. Lwaki? Nayitanga wano nimira sayidi eyo Ntenjeru, naye ng'essomero lino bw'olitunuulira, there are schools we call schools and schools we don't call schools. At that time, this was a school which was not a school. But right now, it is a school which is a school because of her efforts. I turn to the parents. Dear parents, if you want anything good from these young ones in the future, make these young ones your friends, your close friends. Once you do that, you'll understand who your child is. But if you don't bring them closer to you, you will not understand them. At any time, you will deny what your child has done. Ekyokuna, abaana abali wano mwenna muwulire bazadde bammwe, mubawe ekitiibwa, obulamu bwammwe obw'omu maaso bujja kuba bulungi. eri abasomesa mwebale kukola omulimu omulungi ogwo gwe mukoze mu baana bano. Nkakasa they will come out with flying colors.
Ssekiboobo ne main celebrant. Honorable Matoshan, wetegeko je. Actually, gira ddala. Ssekiboobo agenda kubatubuuzaako naye mukkirize abakulembeze bano abawe certificates ez'okuweereza obulungi. Kansabe ba parents bo tubatuuze tubayimiriza nnyo. Honorable Mutatya Davis, Chief Judge. Honorable Amato was the Prime Minister, outgoing cabinet. Thank you for serving this school. Honorable Babirie Grace. Honorable Babirie Grace. Jangu. Then Honorable Kasasa Kenneth. Honorable Chirunda Solomon, Speaker. Honorable Kasasa was head boy. Mujjano kwangua batayangua. Owek. Honorable Suvi Solomon. Yategedde ngenda musoma era ngira omwana. Chief Magistrate. Boba wakola bulungi yimirira bwe sikusome kale onomala gatuula. Honorable Kubakulungi Kezman Academics. Honorable Nabirie Duffin, Principal Judge. Honorable Namuaya Saida, Chief Prosecutor. Honorable Odong Stephen, Entertainment. Honorable Ngovi Andrew, Entertainment. Honorable Nampi Marisa, Superior General Girls. Honorable Senkungo Vincent, Superior General Boys. Honorable Muton Shivan, Class Lawyer Senior 6. Honorable Navada Angel, Class Lawyer Senior 6. Honorable Osinje Timothy, Class Lawyer Senior 6. Yes, the class lawyers were 3 because we have 3 streams of Senior 6 class. Thank you very much. Speedy yongera mwana.
Couple, family or group looking for a cool, serene atmosphere at the adequate venue for a day out for the best in entertainment and leisure? Kelly's Travelers Inn is here for you. Kelly's Travelers Inn is located at Kobiri in Nama Sub-County, Mukono District, 3 miles from the heart of Mukono along Mukono-Kayunga Road. Just 17 miles from Meta Golf Club and only 26 miles from Uganda Golf Club in Kampala. Kelly's Travelers Inn offers the best choice for revelers looking for undisturbed peace, quiet and rest. Get the rare opportunity to taste the feel of Uganda's traditional dishes, Orient, European and other delicacies prepared by the best chefs. Our accommodation rates are among the best in town and designed to suit our clients' purse with the prime objective of attraction for a second visit. We accept online bookings for accommodation, specially organized meals conforming to your choice of dishes, parties including birthdays, weddings, get-togethers, graduation and others. Don't hesitate to come and try our history-making hospitality, bed and breakfast, dinner, DSTV and free Wi-Fi, single and twin rooms meeting your preference. Kelly's Travelers Inn has a specially designed format to offer you a hideout in the city sensation and at the same time giving you comfort that ensures privacy away from the hustle and bustle of town.